Hi, I'm Cece. In this furniture assembly, the overall design of the coffee table is controlled by 4 variables: length, width, height, and thickness. To provide a detailed demonstration, we adjust these parameters to observe the changes of the coffee table. How does it work? Join us to explore parametric design in CrownCAD. First, sign in to CrownCAD. Open the furniture project. Use parametric design to quickly create the coffee table panel. Then apply a polished mahogany appearance to the part. Next, design a new part using the swept boss and mirror commands. Quickly complete the design of the coffee table leg and add the alloy steel material. Following the same process, complete the creation of the coffee table connecting rod. Create a new assembly and mate the 3 parts: coffee table panel, coffee table leg, and coffee table connecting rod. Click the variable to set the values for length, width, height, and thickness. Right-click the part and choose the Show Feature Dimensions. Select the component's dimensions in the variable. Replace the current model's rule-based dimensions with variable values. The parametric coffee table is now complete. Visit www.crowncad.com to start designing.